for so long. I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to win.
Are you ready, babe?
I recall in the last video we made, you were mad at me.
I wasn't mad at you.
You were. And so you stood like this and separate and you didn't have your arm around me. So I always know if you're mad at me.
Okay.
And actually our viewers will always know if we're arguing when we're filming because you're over there and I'm over here like this. That's how you know if we're fighting. Today we're in love and holy matrimony.
Today we're going to be smoking a chuck roast like a brisket on the pit barrel cooker outside on the world's smallest patio. Right, babe?
That's right.
That's right. So when we first started getting into barbecue, we were a little bit intimidated, mostly because like a good brisket at Costco is $50. Now fast forward to today with meat prices, the good brisket at Costco, the same one, is now $99.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
It's expensive.
Very expensive. But for $26, we bought a 3.7 pound chuck roast that we're going to season up. We're going to smoke it on the pit barrel cooker. We're going to wrap it at 165 internal. And then we're going to slice it like a brisket and see if it comes out.
The poor man's brisket.
The poor man's brisket. We're going to do a little experiment today.
That's okay. We can sub.
Sub?
Yeah.
We can sub.
We can sub it out.
That's right. All right. So follow along. Super simple, easy video recipe. And babe's in love today. Are you ready?
I love you.
And here we go.
Oh yeah, and in the last one I didn't say go at the same time as you. Because I was also mad at you. So.
Okay. Are you ready to season our 3.7 pound poor man's chuck roast brisket?
I'm ready.
The first thing we're going to use is Cosmos Q. We're going to go over it with a little SPG. And this is going to be a three-part series, babe.
Three-part series.
Three-part series. So
Like
that's
our
SPG, like our life.
Second.
Next is going to be Cosmos Q cow cover. And we're just doing a light layer on each side of it to develop that good bark. Good. And the last layer is going to be Cosmos Q Texas beef.
Ooh, yeah.
And then babe's going to pat it in, flip it over, and do the same thing on the other side.
That looks pretty good. Flip it.
Okay, so like I said earlier, today we're going to be using an amazing company, an amazing cooker, the Pit Barrel Cooker. I love using this thing. It's kind of a set it and forget it cooker. You follow their directions exactly, and it'll always run about 250, 275, and it runs for hours. You don't have to do anything, and we love them. Love Pit Barrel Cooker. Okay, so today we're going to be using our favorite charcoal, Jealous Devil Max, which is their briquettes. Their briquettes are bigger, stronger, faster, hotter. It's just an amazing company. So we're going to be using Jealous Devil charcoal. We're going to be filling our Pit Barrel fire basket with that charcoal, and I'm going to be using a couple chunks of some bourbon barrel wood. So after we have our Pit Barrel fire basket filled with our Jealous Devil briquettes, we're going to remove some of those briquettes and we're going to fill a half chimney. And I'm excited because there's a new company that sent us some fire cups. Let me show you guys this. Now these came to us by way of Tommy at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. So we're gonna light our half chimney with these new fire cups. So after approximately about 13 minutes, we're gonna dump the briquettes back into the pit barrel. We're gonna get the pit barrel all warmed up and we're gonna get our chuck roast outside. I'm gonna be monitoring temperatures all day. And once we hit an internal of approximately 165 degrees, then we'll go ahead and we'll wrap. We'll bring it up to 205. We'll let it rest for about an hour. We're gonna slice it like a brisket and we're gonna see how this experiment goes. Okay, so we got our pit all set up. We got a temperature probe inside the chuck roast. And we're going to probably spritz like every hour or so with a little bit of water. We'll keep you updated. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. It's time to check on our meat. And let's give it first. I'll bring you guys in closer, but I'm going to give it a little spritz with some water. This spritz gun literally is not working very well. But we're going to give it a little spritz. And this is what we're looking like after an hour and a half. Let me give you guys a zoom in. The bark's starting to develop. So we're rolling along. Okay, babe, so it's been 3 hours, and although we have a temperature probe in it, we want to use the Epic most accurate thermopin just to check a couple temperatures to see if we're getting close to 165. I think we are.
Hold on, let me just see how hot I am. Ooh, spicy. Just kidding.
No, babe.
I just came up with that.
No,
Okay.
babe.
Okay.
There it is. Woo!
All right. Here we go.
Here we go. 3 hours.
150.
Okay.
158.
Okay.
149.
149. What about the tip?
Tip is 168.
Well, the tip's thinner. Skinny tip.
Skinny tip, I guess. Huh?
All right, so let's let it go 10 more degrees before we wrap.
Okay.
All right.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay, Babo.
Okay.
It's been 4.5 hours.
Okay.
That is what it looks like after 4.5 hours. It's coming along. It's at 165 internal. So you're going to pull
take
it.
the temperature gauge out.
You got to take the temperature gauge out and just let that hang. And then you're going to pull the meat and then put it in our pan over there. Oh, yeah. How's that looking? Oh boy. Okay. Is it like brisket yet, babe?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so babe's going to wrap it nice and tight.
Do we need to put anything in there?
Nope.
We don't put nothing.
We're just going to get it through to 205. Double foil in a pan. What do you think? Does it feel like it's in the fattest part? Mm-hmm. Okay. And let's get it back on the pit.
We're still getting along.
So far. Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, let's recap the cook. Okay. Jealous Devil, pit barrel. The pit barrel always runs perfectly if you follow the directions. We smoked it for hours, right, babe?
It's been a long time, or it was a long time, yes.
We smoked it until 165 internal on the chuck roast. Then we wrapped it in the foil.
Yes.
We brought it up to like 207 because I wanted it to be probe tender. We used our little thermopin. We wanted it to be probe tender. So we brought it up to like 207. Now it's resting. We're going to let it rest for like an hour, hour and a half. Then we're going to slice it like a brisket. It was like a total cook time of like 6.5 hours. But babe, our top tier channel members.
Oh yes, we have to say thank you so much for everything you guys do. It helps us buy the food. It helps us make these
All
videos.
of our channel members, yes.
All of our channel members. We're so thankful for our top tier. You guys are wonderful. I mean, they're all wonderful, but we really appreciate you top tier ones.
Yes. Yeah. Bunch of you guys. Thank you so much.
Yep.
And babe and I are still getting along.
Yay! It's a good day.
Okay, babe. The next clip is going to be of the nice cutting board, the in-grain cutting board, the chuck roast, big knife, slicing slices.
Yeah. So good.
How's it going to turn out?
I don't know, but I need to start the veggies.
The veggies. And we got to save the juice that's in like the tin foil because I want to like, in case the chuck roast doesn't come out as like moist as a brisket does. A brisket is way more fatty. I want to like have a little jus, a little au jus.
Yeah.
Like it's
Good idea.
Okay, babe.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Oh, babe, you're going glove free?
I am. So I'm cutting this against the grain. So the ends look a little bit done.
A little bit done. They have a good smoke ring, though.
Yeah, but this middle part is feeling really good. I think this is going to be delicious. Yes, you are right. The smoke ring is fantastic. And then what we'll do is we will pour the leftover juices on here.
People like to see, like, obviously people like to see the smoke ring. They like to see if it, like, pulls apart. Okay. I mean, I back you on that. What do you think?
It's really good.
Not too bad. That's a poor man's brisket.
If you don't want to pay $100 for a brisket, give this a try. You won't regret it.
Hello, babe.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Look at how much in love we are. We're just like, yeah, we're so in love.
Yeah, babe. Let me get you
Babe,
a
I'm
bite.
ready for fake brisket.
You know what would be good on this?
What?
Rudy's barbecue sauce.
Oh, no. That's actually really good.
I know, it's good, huh?
Babe, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Melt in your mouth. Tender.
That actually kind of
No, it totally does.
tastes like brisket. That's really good. For $26?
You did a fantastic job. I'm very proud of you.
I mean, Rudy's barbecue sauce. Rudy's barbecue is like a gas station in Bernie, Texas. San Antonio area, Bernie, Texas. Their barbecue sauce is fantastic.
So good.
My sister brought it to us.
That's really good.
A little bit of that. I mean, you don't need, actually, let me have another bite. That's actually very good, babe. That's actually...
I know. You did so good.
That's really good.
You did a great job.
I have no issue with that.
Babe, you're like a meat master.
I'm a meat master. That is good, babe.
You did a great job.
All right.
I'm proud of
We
you.
will see you guys on the next video.
See you next time. Bye.
Show the bottle, babe.
Okay.
It's so good. Whoa. You can only get it in
Originated by
Texas.
Doc Holliday at the original Rudy's in Leon Springs.
It's so good.
It's really good. The worst barbecue in Texas.
No,
it says.
it's actually really.
Well, no, that's just what it says.
No, I mean,
That's a
but
joke,
it's
'cause
really
it's probably
good.
the best barbecue in Texas.
Yeah, it's super good.
Yeah.
All right.
Delicious.
See ya.